Hi everyone, welcome to AutoFix Problem. Today, we're going to discuss a frustrating car AC problem, hot air blowing, even when the AC is turned on. Often, we immediately blame the Freon, even though the source of the problem could lie in a more crucial component, the AC compressor. Now, to prevent you from taking the wrong steps and ending up spending more money, we will thoroughly discuss the 10 early signs of a damaged car AC compressor. Ready to save your car's AC? Let's watch the video! Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep getting useful videos about automotive topics. Symptom 1. AC isn't cooling at all. Let's kick things off with the most obvious sign. Your air conditioner is on. The fan is blowing, but there's no cold air, just warm or even hot air coming through the vents. This typically means the compressor isn't doing its main job, which is compressing the refrigerant and circulating it through the system. Without this circulation, the AC can't remove heat from the cabin air, and the entire system becomes ineffective. If you've already checked for low refrigerant or a clogged cabin filter, chances are high that the compressor itself is failing. Symptom 2. Loud noise. When AC turns on, a good air conditioning system should be working quietly in the background. However, if you hear a loud squeaking, rattling, or humming noise when you turn on the AC, it's a sign that something is wrong with the compressor. These unpleasant sounds could be caused by worn bearings, loose internal components, or a slipping or scratched clutch. Think of it like gears grinding together in a stalled engine. If it sounds rough, it probably is. If left unchecked, these noises usually lead to total compressor failure. Symptom 3. AC compressor. Clutch not engaging. The compressor clutch plays a vital role by connecting the compressor to the engine power via a pulley system. When you turn on the AC, the clutch should engage. You'll see it spin or click into place. If you don't see or hear this happen, a few things could be wrong. A bad clutch coil, an electrical problem, low refrigerant pressure, or even a completely stuck clutch. Without the clutch engaged, the compressor will never actually start working, which means no cold air for you. Symptoms 4. AC only cools while driving. If your AC only blows cold air while you're driving, but goes warm when you're stopped or idling, don't ignore it. This might indicate that your compressor is struggling to maintain enough pressure when the engine RPM is low. While driving, higher RPMs can temporarily mask this issue by boosting system pressure. However, it's a telltale sign of a weak or inefficient compressor that's on its way out, possibly due to worn internal components or a malfunctioning valve. Symptoms 5. Blown fuses or relays. Frequently, when your car's AC keeps blowing fuses or tripping relays, it could be more than just a coincidence. A failing compressor can overheat or develop internal electrical faults, causing it to draw too much current. Your vehicle's electrical system responds by cutting the circuit to avoid damage, hence the blown fuses. Replacing the fuses won't solve the root problem, and ignoring it could lead to more serious electrical damage in the control modules or wiring harness. Symptoms 6. Excessive vibration. When AC runs, have you noticed odd vibrations or shaking when the AC is turned on? This could be a red flag. A compressor that's off balance due to worn mounting brackets, damaged internal parts, or a bent shaft can cause noticeable vibration through the steering wheel, dashboard, or even the entire engine bay. It's similar to having a washing machine go out of balance. It wobbles and thumps until something breaks. These vibrations can spread wear to belts, pulleys, and even engine mounts if left unchecked. Symptom 7. Rapid on-off cycling. Short cycling. Short cycling occurs when the AC system turns on and off quickly without completing a full cooling cycle. This is far from normal and usually points to either low refrigerant or a compressor that can't maintain consistent pressure. It can also be caused by faulty sensors or pressure switches. Not only is this inefficient for cooling, but it also stresses the compressor and clutch, wearing them out far faster than normal operation would. Symptoms 8. Burning smell from vents or engine bay. If you detect a burning rubber or electrical smell coming from the vents or under the hood while the AC is on, that's a major red flag. The cause could be the AC clutch overheating, frayed wires inside the compressor, or the compressor itself starting to seize up. This smell indicates serious damage, and it's best to turn off the AC and get your car checked immediately. Ignoring it could lead to a complete system meltdown or even a fire hazard. Symptoms 9. Clicking sound within cold air. Sometimes you might hear a soft click when turning on the AC. That sound typically means the compressor clutch is receiving the signal to engage. But if nothing happens after that, no cool air, no pressure buildup, then something deeper is wrong. It could be a broken internal shaft, jammed valves, or a fault in the control circuit that engages the clutch, but not the rest of the compressor. It's like turning the key in your car and hearing a click, but getting no engine startup. Symptoms 10. Oil or refrigerant leak around compressor. If you spot oily patches, greasy buildup, or any kind of wet residue near the compressor or refrigerant lines, that's likely a leak. These leaks often involve refrigerant mixed with compressor oil and can be caused by cracked housings, failing seals, or even overheating damage. Once refrigerant leaks out, system pressure drops, lubrication fails, and the compressor can burn out very quickly. Catching and fixing this early can save you from a full AC system replacement. Hopefully, the discussion about the 10 symptoms of a problematic car AC compressor has helped you. We'd like to hear from you. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms? Share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss other car maintenance tips from our community. See you again!